How to set video quality you download on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, okay, go to my Netflix on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And after that, click or tap the three line on the upper right side on your screen. Here in pop-up below, you can see here the app settings. Okay, you can tap this. Here in app settings, you can see the video quality. And the video quality is set into standard. So if you want to set or change the video quality you download on your Netflix account, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see here the option. So there are two options. You can set into standard and higher. So if you set into standard, download faster and use less storage. So if you set into higher, uses more storage, but the quality is okay or good quality. And I decide to set into higher. And okay guys, that's it.